Hi there, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create an image slider using only HTML and CSS. Before we get started, if you are new here, in this channel I wanna help you improve your coding skills so that you can earn more money. So, I post new videos every day, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon so that you won't miss any of them. With that said, let's get straight to the video. First you need to create a folder, and I have it right here called image slider, and a folder with images. I have 3 images here. Next I'm gonna go to my code editor, which in my case is brackets, and open that folder. I'm gonna go to desktop and select the folder. Okay, right there. Now I'm gonna create an HTML file, index.html, and let's create a style.css file. Now I'm gonna code the basic structure, give it a title, and let's link the CSS file first using the link element. Now in the body we only need a div with an ID of image slider, and that's all we need. Let's go to the style.css file. Let's give it some basic styling. Body, let's see, margin 0, padding 0, font size 15 pixels, font family Arial, Helvetica, sans serif, and background color, let's give it a gray. Actually we didn't need to put font since we won't write anything, but let's leave it like that. Let's open our file in the browser, see if the CSS file is linked, and it looks like it doesn't work. Let's put a h1. Oh, so just for some reason the CSS isn't working. Oh, I just put the background color to white, right? So this is the gray I was talking about. If you see I hover my mouse, it's gray, and there we go. Now let's select the image slider. Let's give it a height of 500 pixels, width 900 pixels. Let's set the position to absolute, and now top 50%, left 50%, transform, translate minus 50%, minus 50%. Let's put a background image, URL, img folder, and let's select this image. Let's go ahead and look. It doesn't show up. Oh right, we put a hashtag here and we shouldn't have. Now let's go back, and there we go, we have our image. Now let's create the actual slider. Let's create an animation, and let's call it slider. Animation iteration count infinite, so it just loops over and over. Animation duration, let's say 15 seconds. Now we're gonna use keyframes and slider, and at 33% we're gonna change the background image to the next one. Let's put 3 right here at 66%. we're gonna use the other one, and at 100% we're gonna choose the first image. So what this does is at 33%, meaning a third of this animation duration. So at 5 seconds it's gonna change to this one, at 10 seconds to this other one, and at 15 seconds to the initial one. Let's see. And as you can see, the images are changing every 5 seconds. Alright, so that was today's video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And maybe you want to suggest what topic should I do next. But if you enjoyed the video, give it a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I put new videos every day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.